There's an exciting new feature in ImagePrint 12 for both black and red. The new image browser is in build 12.0.12, and I'm going to walk you through the new features. We've removed the old image strip and replaced it with an all-new image browser. Let's take a look at how it works. Under the View dropdown, I'm going to choose Add Browser. The browser window shows up in the interface, and just like before, I can move it and dock it anywhere I want. But unlike before, I can now control both the size of the thumbnail display as well as the font size. I can even switch from a standard thumbnail view to a directory listing when the file name is more advantageous to see. This type of control will make it easier to visualize and locate the files depending on the type of work you are doing. We have also added the ability to search within the current folder. This again will help you find the file quickly without having to scroll through hundreds, if not thousands of images in some cases. The file browser navigation has been moved out of the dashboard and is now integrated in the file browser. It uses the more common OS file navigation controls, which is a more familiar style. We've also implemented a parent-child architecture. If you store your files in folders off of a main folder, which would be referred to as the parent folder, you can then quickly jump to any folder underneath, which is called the child folder. The green up arrow in the header allows you to navigate up through the folder structure back to the parent folder. If you hold down the icon with the up-down arrow, the sort menu will appear, and you can reorder the files based on the selected sort criteria. By far the best thing about the new file browser is that you can have as many as you need and simply delete the ones you no longer use or point them to a new folder. You can organize them in any way you want. Each can have its own viewing characteristics and properties. The goal here is to create a workspace where you have what you need in front of you at all times, and you can quickly bring files to the layout area for printing without having to jump around from folder to folder with only one view active at a time. Just drag and drop or double-click images from any file browser and they will load to the layout window. Draw a marquee to select multiple images or hold down the Shift key to select the entire folder.